TMC Meghalaya is working tirelessly and at the forefront, ensuring relief work reaches the impacted living in the farthest regions of the state, despite connection problems making it difficult to transport relief efforts to remote areas of the state. In continuation of the relief efforts by the party, Meghalaya TMC Joint Secretary Manik along with other local leaders visited Mahendraganj Ulubari village in the southwest Garo Hills. He distributed food, grains and other necessary items among the affected villages. The TMC Joint Secretary had a thorough conversation with the affected people and noted the issues they dealt with on a daily basis. He assured the populace that TMC Meghalaya will work tirelessly to get aid to those in need in the furthest reaches of the state and reaffirmed his unwavering support for the Ulubari locals. More than 6 lakh people have been impacted by the recent bad weather conditions and flash floods in the state. In addition to affecting individuals, the weather-related calamity damaged 940 villages, 4,384 homes and 12 to 15 hectares of crops across the state.
আরো বড়